You upload a video, you wait. The first hour looks normal. A few views, a few likes, maybe a comment. You check again the next day. It performs almost exactly like the last one. Not worse, not better, just similar. You are still posting, still improving. But the numbers stopped accelerating. They stabilized. And that is when it starts to feel stuck. It is easy to assume it is about quality, or effort, or discipline. Maybe you need better thumbnails, better titles, more consistency. But most plateaus do not begin with decline. They begin with predictability. In the beginning, growth is simple. You are small. Almost every view is new territory. Every upload creates exposure. Effort and expansion feel connected. Post more, reach more. At that stage, volume creates signals, and the signals create visibility. Around 1,000 subscribers, something changes. Not emotionally, structurally. You are no longer new. You are now a known variable. The platform has data. It has patterns. Platforms do not scale effort. They scale predictability. Distribution systems look for repeatable outcomes. When outcomes are consistent, reach becomes stable. When outcomes are predictable, expansion becomes possible. Effort alone does not trigger growth. Predictability does, and the predictability develops slowly. That is why growth often slows after early momentum. Not because you stopped trying, not because the work became worse, but because the system shifted from testing to measuring. Below 1,000, the question is, can this creator produce? Around 1,000, the question becomes, is this creator predictable? Those are different thresholds. A plateau is not a failure signal. It is a stability signal. It means the system understands you well enough to contain you. Until predictability increases, expansion remains contained. Early growth rewards visibility. Sustained growth rewards predictability. They feel similar, but structurally, they are not the same.